And you might be thinking, what are they doing on a counter? Well, don't judge us. This is like super good lighting for you guys. So that's why we're on this counter. But before we start this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel, Local Fun Sisters. So today we are going to be reviewing a glitter slime.
Yep, I got green. With
Or shall I say glitter slime from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be reviewing if this Dollar
slime was
actually worth it. So mine is pink. It has pink little glitters inside of it, and it is a clear slime. So this is a glitter slime that I got. Ooh, it feels like putty. So it has like a bunch of glitter on the bottom. And it feels really weird. It is clicky. And the glitter is giving it a nice, beautiful touch. It's not that stretchy. It would just rip. It's really rough. It's more like a putty than a slime. But I would give this a 3 out of 5. I would recommend you guys to get this slime at the Dollar Tree because it is very, very relaxing.
So guys, I got the purple glitter slime. And I'm going to be giving you guys my review. So this is my slime. And oh my gosh. You can literally feel the glitter, but it's not that stretchy like Danielle said. Because hers probably stretched a lot more than mine. Mine doesn't really stretch that much. It rips like right away. So guys, it feels good and there is a good amount of glitter. It's so satisfying when I rip it. It almost looks like water slime. So this slime isn't that bad. I would give it a 4 out of 10 because it's not that stretchy. So if you guys want to go try it, go to Dollar Tree. So guys, this is my green slime.
Tati, did you fart?
Ew, Tati!
It smells.
So guys, this slime is so cool. You know why, guys? So when you guys feel the glitter, it's so cool. It feels like you're touching something that's like dirt, like we have like in the shower and we put it on our feet and it feels like that.
Oh, like a scrub.
Yeah.
I'm like, we don't got dirt in our shower, girl. It's called a bath scrub.
Yeah, the bath scrub. Guys, by the way, I just took a shower today, so yeah.
Do you like the slime?
Yes, I do.
See if it's stretchy. Oh! Uh-oh, what's going on there?
I'm gonna try to stretch it. Oh, it's stretching.
See how far it can go. Oh,
It's not gonna go very far.
oh. Oh, I think her stretches more than your guys.
No, because she goes slow. If she goes fast, it rips. Faster, faster. Guys, go to Dollar Tree and get these kind of slimes because they are so cool.
So before we end this video, we want to hit you guys with some fart cinematics. Ready?
It's gross. Dion, why did you fart? Ew! That was good. Ew!
slime does not want to fart. So you guys, that was the end of our glitter slime review. Make sure to get low